Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you few ways to speed up your Windows 10 PC. You don't need to install any third-party apps. It is very easy, but also it's very effective. After you do this correctly, your PC will be more fast and you will get more free space in your C drive. So let's start. Step 1 is cleaning temp files in your C drive. Right click on Windows button and then click Run. Type on temp and then click OK. Click continue if you ask for some permission and you will see this window. Select all the files and press Shift plus Delete. Click continue if you ask for some permission. Some files may be unreadable. Just skip them. Again right click on Windows button and click Run. And this time type %temp % and then click OK. You will see another window like before. Just select them all and press Shift plus Delete. If it asking for some permission, click on continue. And if there is any undeletable files, just skip them. Again one last time right click on Windows button and click Run. This time type Prefetch and click on OK. Click continue if it asks for any permission and do the same we did before. Delete all the files. And that's it for the first step. The second step is clean the recycle bin. Open the recycle bin and select all the items in there and press Shift plus Delete. Our third step is uninstall. In this step, you can see how to uninstall all unwanted or rarely used softwares and programs installed in C drive by default. Instead of pressing Shift and Delete to delete a software, please do uninstall. I'll show you how. Go to Start menu and type uninstall. And click on Programs and Features. This window will open. And then choose what you want to uninstall. Right click on it and click on Uninstall or Change button. And then you can uninstall the program correctly. And our fourth step is optimizing C drive. Go to this PC and right click on C drive. Go to Properties and then go to Tools. In here, click on Optimize. Make sure you selected the C drive and then click on Optimize. That's it. This will take few minutes to complete. Don't close the window until it finished. Our fifth and the last step is disk cleanup. Go to this PC and right click on C drive. Go to Properties and you can see here a button called Disk Cleanup. Click on it. You don't need to worry, it will not wipe out your data. It will only remove unwanted files which were created in C drive, and it will also give you lots of free space too. This will take few minutes to complete. Just let it complete and you will see this window. Check all of these and click on Clean up System Files. Again check all of these and click OK button. And click on Delete. This cleanup process will take a while. Just let it finish. That's all you have to do. Now check your C drive free space and also you will feel the performance is increased. So thank you for watching guys. Please comment below if you have any problem regarding these steps. And please subscribe to my channel and leave a like to this video. And see you in next video.